You've heard of this new tool in town called ChatGPT. Now, you probably do not know that people are cashing out real big using this tool. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 smart ways you can make money daily using this tool called ChatGPT. Let's dive into it. If you stay with me to the end, I'm going to show you how to create a ChatGPT account for yourself. So if you don't have an account yet, at the end of this video, you'll be able to create your own account and go on to make a lot of money using this powerful AI tool. Without wasting much of your time, let me show you 4 smart ways to make money using this tool. First one is to write an ebook using this powerful AI tool and go on to make millions of money selling your ebook. You already know that digital product is way to go. It's one of the easiest and sweetest way of making money online today with zero capital. Yes, you don't have to spend anything to make this product, whether it's online course, ebook, planners, and the rest of them. Let me guess, one of the reasons why you do not have an ebook yet is because you don't have time to write or you don't know how to write the book. Well, ChatGPT is here to do the work for you. With this amazing AI tool, all you need is ask it to write a book on any topic, and it's going to go on to write the book from the table of content to explaining every content of the book. It will even go on to tell you how to sell your book, various ways you can sell the book and make a lot of money. It's amazing. Let me show you. Let's say, for example, you want to write an ebook on how to lose weight and burn stubborn belly fat. All you need is head over to this amazing AI tool and ask it to do the work.
So I asked ChatGPT to write an ebook for me, and you can see it starts with an introduction. It gives an introduction to the book. After that, it moves to chapter 1 of the book. You can see chapter 1, understanding weight loss. It talks about chapter 1 and everything that needs to be contained in there. It moves to chapter 2, setting goals and staying motivated. It talks about that. After that, he writes chapter 3, which is a sustainable thing. He moves on to describe it, everything that's meant to be in that chapter. He goes on to chapter 4, incorporating exercise into your routine. Then that's how he continued to write this book down to chapter 5. And when it's done, it also gave more like an advice, a whole lot of things, guys. It's amazing. Now, one more tips when it comes to using this is that once it's done writing the book this way, introduction and chapters, you can still go on and ask it specific questions based on the chapters it's already written for you. For example, the chapter 1, you can also go on to ask it to write more on that chapter 1 you've already done, and it's going to do the work for you. So after he finished writing the book, I went on to ask him to show me how to sell my book. And you can see the answers being given to me. It's stating different ways I can go on to sell this book and make a lot of money doing it. It's mentioning a lot of platforms where I can go to sell my book, various ways like social media, platforms that I can upload the book and get a lot of people paying for the ebook. It's amazing. Now, what is even more amazing is the fact that I'm doing all of these things with my smartphone. So if you don't have a computer, you don't have an excuse not to use this amazing tool.
The second way of making money with ChatGPT is blogging. You know that bloggers make a lot of money once they create valuable content and publish on their blog. A good number of bloggers I know make nothing less than $1,000 every month from their blogging. Well, one of the reasons why a lot of people are not blogging is writing blog articles. And not just writing anyhow article, but writing SEO optimized articles. Yes, if you can write good articles, you can make a lot of money as a blogger. Well, if you are still holding back from being a blogger because of writing articles, ChatGPT is here to help you. With this amazing AI tool, you can write as many blog articles on any topic as you want. You can even go on to ask it for search engine optimized content, and it's going to do the work, amazing job for you. All you need is, once it's done creating the content, you need to go through the content to format it, set it the way you like, and even add a few things to make it your own. So let's go on and write blog articles in few seconds.
So I asked it to write article on 7 best computers to promote, and here is the answer it's given me. It talked about the 7 computers, describing their make and everything about it.
The third way you can make money with ChatGPT is creating daily social media content. Guys, this is my favorite. Do you know you can create daily social media posts on any topic using this AI tool. Yes, you can go on to ask it to write Facebook post, Instagram post on any topic of interest. Whether you are using it to promote your business, whether you are using it to promote your service, whatever you do with it, this tool will write an engaging content for you anytime, any day. Now you see, you don't have any reason not to be very active selling on social media. To cap it all, you can even make more money from this by being a social media manager. As a social media manager, all you are required to do is to create content for those brands or businesses, and you get paid every month. Now, with this ChatGPT, all you need is make a list of things you want to write about, ask ChatGPT to do the writing for you, and it's going to go on to write this content. You will even have to specify what you need it to do, whether you're posting it on Facebook or Instagram, or even on YouTube and TikTok. ChatGPT will do the writing for you. 90% of content these two produce are amazing and engaging. So if you are struggling with creating content that you post daily on social media, you now know what to do. Use ChatGPT to do the work. And the fourth way to make money with ChatGPT is affiliate marketing. As an affiliate marketer, one of the struggles affiliate marketers go through is creating content to promote whatever offer they are pushing out. Now, it doesn't matter what the offer is, ChatGPT will write engaging content about that. It will even tell you how to generate leads, various places to post this, how to promote the offer you make. There's nothing you can't do with ChatGPT. So with ChatGPT, you'll be able to write amazing content, sales copy about whatever you are promoting. It's going to allow you to talk about the benefits, uses, and all whatnot about the offer. Be able to create engaging content consistently that will get the attention of your target audience, be able to convert them and sell to them. It's amazing, and you don't want to sleep on this.
So I asked it what are the best 7 affiliate products to promote, and you can see the answers being supplied to me. It's amazing. It mentioned a lot of affiliate platforms where you can sell your products like Amazon, you talk about ClickBanks and a whole lot of them. He went on to explain each and every one of them in a way that you understand as an affiliate marketer, even if you have not had experience. The next thing is, how do you create a ChatGPT account? Well, I asked ChatGPT how to do that, and it started by telling me that my question is wrong. It says, sorry, but there's no such thing as a ChatGPT account. And then he went on to explain what it is after it corrected me. Like, I'm feeling somehow right now, but it's fine. He showed me step by step how to create accounts. So I'm going to go on now and demonstrate step by step how you can create a ChatGPT account for yourself in few seconds. So to create an account for yourself, all you need is click on the link in the description of this video or the one in the first comment, and it's going to bring you here. All you need is click on this button that says API, and it's going to open for you to create account. So here you see a number of things to sign up. You click on this button that says sign up. Click on sign up for us to create account. So it's opening. So here it says create your account. You need to put your email address and click on the button that says I'm not a robot. If you don't want to use your email address, you can also continue with Google account or with your Microsoft account. Once you're done putting your email address, click on I am not a robot, and it's going to bring this task. This is to make sure that you're not a robot. Select all square with motorcycles. Okay, I'm going to click and select all the squares that have motorcycles here, and then you click on next and click on verify. But you click on continue, and it's going to take us to the next page. So over here, you're meant to select a password, and once you're done selecting a password, you click on continue. Once you put in your email address and your password, an email will be automatically sent to you. You need to verify your email address to continue the process. I'm going to go on now and verify the email address so we finish up the registration. So if you look at this, you're going to see an email from them. It says verify your email. So I'm going to open the email address and verify it. By verification, you need to click on this button that says verify email, and it's going to be sorted out immediately. With this, you can go on to do the final check, which is to talk a little about you. So you're going to put your first name, your last name, the organization name. That is optional, and you click on continue. Next step is to put your phone number. This is actually to verify that you are legit. So once you supply your phone number, a code will be sent to you. You will be required to use this 6-digit code to verify your account. Once you do this, you can go on to start enjoying this amazing AI tool. I hope you got value from this. Please give this video a thumbs up and remember to subscribe if you've not. Share it with your family and friends. There's someone on your list who needs to see this to learn how to make money online.